Hello, good morning everyone. Happy Women's Month. So last day na ng March, no? Ah, maayong buntag sa inyo din ha. Welcome to Code Your Future 40 minutes coding workshop for women non-coders for Region 11, or this is in partnership with Region 11. Welcome again. I am Casey and I will be your host for this morning's workshop. So welcome again, no? Gusto ko sanang makita muna kung sino yung mga andito na sa stream natin. Comment nyo naman, mag-comment kayo ng kung saan kayo galing, which city or where you are from or where you are watching this from. So may mga na good morning na din, good morning, mga early birds natin, no? So welcome. Check ko sa inyo, check ko mamaya kung saan dito yung mga tagasan yung mga nanonood natin. Also, for this morning, this workshop is to celebrate, syempre, yung Women's Month. But I've noticed also we have participants who are from different Women's Month, and this is also in partnership with Region 11. Pero I've noticed sa list natin, no, ng mga nag-register, merong from other regions din. So, welcome sa inyo. Okay, we have here from Davao, Davao City, Lanao del Norte, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. Welcome po sa inyo. So, kumusta ang inyong panahon din ha? Dini sa amo medyo sa Region 10, medyo siya, ah, kanang dagom-dagom gamay pero wala pa nag-ulan. Kasabot siguro tong mga taga Region 11 din ha, no? Mga fellow Bisaya nako. Davao City, Davao City. So marami po sila. Maraming from Davao City. So welcome again and good morning. I hope you guys are excited for our coding workshop this morning. Sino po dito yung first time sumali ng coding workshop natin? By the way, this is not the first coding workshop we've had with DICT Region 11. Pero gusto na ko mabalaan kinsay mga first timers din he. Or if first time nimo mag-type lang kag 1 or first time. Pag second time nimo type 2 and so on and so forth. Sige nga. While we are waiting for our comments to come in dito, no? Good morning daw mga Bisaya. Good morning din. So, we are going, or I will share with you briefly uh, what the mission is or kung ano yung goal natin dito sa Code Your Future. No? So, um, first of all, if you guys are wondering, no, why the tech industry? Bakit dito natin nilalaan yung focus natin? Yung sa tech education. So CYF or Code Your Future is an initiative with the Department of Information and Communications Technology. So this initiative aims to elevate more Filipinos to become tech professionals through tech education. So bakit nga tech industry? So the reason would be number one, it is the highest salary profession in any industry. So this is according to Job Street, no? So every year may survey silang ginagawa, and IT or yung tech industry still is or has the high still is the highest salary profession in any industry. So bakit naman ganun? Kasi high yung demand. Why high yung demand? Because wherever you go, meron talaga yung tech department or IT department. So kahit nasa academe ka, especially nung pandemic, nagkaroon or nag-shift tayo lahat sa no, virtual classrooms, nag-online tayo lahat. So may ano, nag-grow po talaga yung tech industry and marami marami pong mga companies na nagha-hire. So very high po yung demand. Kahit sa business side ka, syempre kailangan mo ng social media, 'di ba? Most likely sa atin nagma-market sa atin talaga yung mga business owners nasa social media. Or in most if not all industries, no, meron talagang involvement with technology. Next would be yung uh, work flexibility. So you can work remotely, especially nga nung for the past 2 years, ang daming nag-work from home or actually siguro lahat sa atin no nag-work from home. As long as you have your laptop, even your mobile phones, may internet connection ka, you can work na. So ganun po yung you have your devices, kahit ano ba yung devices na ginagamit mo. So you can start working already. And lastly, no formal education required. So hindi kailangang may PhD ka talaga sa IT, saka mo makakuha yung or saka ka magiging high paid na tech professional. Hindi po siya gano'n, 'no. So later, I will be sharing with you then some opportunities that you can leverage. Yung mga bootcamps, you can join workshops. 'Pag meron ka na nito, you can most definitely apply or enter the tech industry. So I hope you guys will stay for a bit then later, no, while or after the workshop. So ayun po yung objective talaga natin dito sa Code Your Future. So I hope you guys will really maximize this opportunity, learn as much as you can sa ating coding workshop. Okay. So, sorry. Okay, so now let's move to this one here. By the way, you are not alone in this journey pala, no? We have a lot of fellow Filipinos who are learning how to code dito sa Code Your Future. So you may join the Code Your Future FB community. Dito you can connect with tech professionals, even tech students, mga career shifters, or just people katulad ninyo na interested or nag-iisip na kayo na parang gusto kong shift, no. Here also you will get the latest updates on upcoming workshops and career sessions. So I will send here the link para easier din sa inyo ang pag-a-access ng community. Ayan. So we have facebook.com/group/codeyourfuture. Also, don't forget to share this stream with your friends, with your family, no? Baka may kilala kayong classmate, coworker, family member, or friend na baka interesado din sila o nag-iisip din sila na gusto nilang mag-learn mag-code. So, you may share our stream and don't forget or remember to use the hashtag CodeYourFuturePH. Ayun po. Thank you very much. Pa-share naman sa ating stream. Baka naman, no, may mga gusto ding sumali. Okay. And we are also opening the call for, or we are calling volunteers for those who are interested to take part in initiatives like this one, mga coding workshops, as a trainer, kahit nga as a trainer, so you can also volunteer, mga blog writers natin. So if you are interested, just sign up at bit.ly/codeyourfuture-volunteer. Okay. So, hindi na natin patatagalin, no? Before we dive into the coding workshop talaga, I'd like to invite here Engineer Erlito Tangkonshan. He is the Assistant Regional Director of DICT Region 11, and he will be giving the welcome or the opening message. So, let's all welcome Engineer Erlito.
Regional Director Ibame Said De La Rosa, ILCDB Focal Engineer Albert C. Gabriel, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow Filipinos, good morning. It is with great pleasure to welcome all of you to the Code Your Future Workshop for Women, brought to you by the Department of Information Communications Technology, Region 11, in partnership with StackTrek. We are honored to have you all here today, joining us from various backgrounds and regions, including students, IT professionals, government employees, freelancers, and virtual assistants. We are excited to have you joining us today for this incredible opportunity to learn, grow, and explore the endless possibilities of the technology. As we celebrate Women's Month this March, we are especially proud to be holding this workshop to empower inclusivity in the ICT industry for women. It is essential that we recognize the contributions of the women in technology and provide them with the necessary support to thrive this field. We are reminded of the transformative power of technology in its ability to empower individuals and communities. In current era of digital transformation, it has become increasingly important to equip ourselves with the necessary skills to thrive in a fast-paced and ever-changing environment. And what better way to do than by diving headfirst into the world of information technology. Our workshop today aims to provide you with the foundational knowledge and skills to help you start your journey towards becoming successful tech professionals. The Code Your Future workshop for women seeks to provide you with the foundational knowledge and skills necessary to pursue a career in the dynamic field of information technology. Our goal is to help you take your first step towards becoming successful tech professionals, improving your earning potential, and contributing to the growth of the IT industry in the country. Our highlights for today include a basic Python coding session where you will get hands-on experience in just 40 minutes and earn a digital certificate of completion. We are committed to provide you an exciting, engaging, and interactive session where you learn how to create your first code and develop your skills in the field of IT. We would also like to give us a special shout out to our partners, StackTrek, for their invaluable support and collaboration in bringing you this workshop. Together, we are committed to empowering women in the field of IT and providing them with the resources they need to succeed. So get ready to explore the limitless potential of technology and join us this exciting journey to code your future. We, Star Trek, and the Department of ICT Region 11, thank you for being here with us today and we hope you enjoy the workshop. Daghang salamat, Madayaw Davao.
Ayun po 'no. Thank you very much, Engineer Erlito, for always supporting this initiative 'no, especially with our, um, DICT Region 11. So, hindi na natin patatagalin pa 'no, so let's dive into our workshop. So, yung speaker po natin for this morning is, StackTrek's very own product manager. We have Ariesa Ko. Hi, Ariesa. Welcome.
Hello, good morning. Am
Ayun,
I
good
audible?
morning. Yes, audible naman.
Okay.
So, the floor is yours po, Ariesa.
Thank you, Case. Sige, share screen tayo. Ayun. Ayun. Okay. Okay. Tama naman. Okay. So, I'd like to welcome everyone to the Code Your Future for Region 11. So, the Code Your Future is a partnership from StackTrek Enterprise to the DICT, or the Department of Information and Communication Technology. And the mission for the Code Your Future is to produce more job-ready programmers. So, it's basically straightforward since the tech industry came to an in demand way back pandemic era, and we all realize that um, we won't be able to survive during that time without being innovative, especially when staying at home, doing our day-to-day transactions online, and etc. So I'll be using Python language for this session. So Python is actually sensitive when it comes to indentation. So please take note that the indention that I have in your screen, you should be able to follow that one. Okay? So before I basically proceed to the session or the development proper, I'd like to give some few points in the fundamentals, since some of you are non-coders or wala talagang idea of on what is coding or how do you do software development. So these are the basic things. Okay, so it's okay if you feel a bit of overwhelmed, so that's pretty much normal, since the tech industry is always a work in progress. Okay, you will never stop learning in the industry until the time that you can never master everything actually. So the tech industry is a fast-paced industry, wherein innovation, advancements, and etc. are of um the priority of the said industry. Okay, so we have data types. So as the name implies, we have the types of data. Okay, what are the data that you will be using? Basically, data will always be important. It should be the right data type. For example, if you are using integers per se, so integers are numbers, whole numbers. For example, age. You will be asking the user for age. So basically, when you talk about age, you usually answer 10 years old, 9 years old, 12 years old, 20 years old, so on and so forth. So that's integer. Those are basically whole numbers. Okay? Next, we have floating point. Okay? In contrast with the integers, we have floating point, which are still numbers, though with decimal places. So where do we usually use this one? So basically, we use this one in terms of money, in terms of temperature, in terms of weight, in terms of length. Okay? So for example, 105 and 25 cents, 120 and 50 cents, 39.5 degrees Celsius, okay? 29.5 kilogram, okay? 21.5 centimeters, okay? So we should be able to address or understand what data we will be getting in order for us to be able to decide on the right data type. Okay? So, we need to make sure, san ba to natin gagamitin? Okay, so where do we use this? From there on, we will be able to realize, we will be using this kind of data. We will be using this kind of data. Okay? Ayun. So, Python strings. So, strings are just series of characters. When we talk about characters, those are typically alphabets. Okay? So, when we say series of characters, you will be forming word, um, paragraph, so on and so forth. For example, this is a string, a multi-line string. Take note, then when you um, try to display data types, it should be enclosed in double quote. Nasa double quote yan. Naka-double quote siya. So later on, you'll be able to see more of it. So these are just the simple data types that we will be using moving forward. There is still tons of data types that I've not discussed, but I guess these will be the data types that I will be using so that you guys would know the usage of that data. Okay, so every program, since we are talking about automation, since we're talking about more on um, making decisions, so we will be using the statement called conditionals. So these statements will address on how your program will be able to decide. Okay? Will we be using this one right after this one? So on and so forth. It's like your day-to-day life. Your day-to-day life is your daily choices on what to do and where you will go. For example, when you wake up one weekend, tomorrow's weekend, right? Saturday, okay, since there's no work, there's no classes for students, okay, you will realize, okay, tomorrow is weekend. What will I do? Okay, so life is basically series of choices that you make every day in your life. Okay, so when, for example, you wanted to step up, okay, in the tech industry, or you wanted to shift your career in the tech industry because of the so many personal reasons that you have, it may it might be this might be your passion even before. It might be because the tech industry is in demand. It might be um you wanted to try new things in life. Okay, so these are the conditions or the decisions that you are depending on in your life choices. Okay, same as true with the conditions. If ganito yung gagawin ko, for example, if I will study software development right now, eh, I will have a career in tech in 4 months. Else, eh, I will stay in my current job or career path. Okay? So, these are the series of things or decisions that you wanted to make in your day-to-day basis. Okay? So, these are the example. So, for example, this flowchart. Okay? Um, the thing here is that, for example, here, if, okay, you will wake up early, then you will not be late. Else, okay, you will be late. Okay? Pretty much simple. So very straightforward. This is a snippet of a flowchart. Okay? So, let's talk about women in the history. Okay, so my problem right now is in line as well with the Women's Month. Okay? So March remarks the Women's Month, World Women's Month. So women, okay, we celebrate the brilliance, the innovation, the tenacity of women who have made a mark in the industry. So Women's Month in Tech is dedicated to honoring remarkable achievements of female pioneer, visionaries, and leaders who have shaped the technological landscape or the women history in general. So there are a lot of prominent women in the tech, in computing basically. So one of which is the first lady programmer, or the first programmer, which is Ada Lovelace. So she is a woman, but she is one of the prominent person in computing. Okay, so another example is one of the women that I actually love reading her book and quotes is Mrs. Obama. So it's Barack Obama's wife. So basically, she often tell people that, or the women, okay, that comfort and growth doesn't coexist. Okay, so there are a lot of women who actually are empowered to do leadership, and who wants to empower the next generation. So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar. So we have the Women Tech Maker. So Women Tech Maker is an initiative from Google wherein they will be able to empower a lot of women in terms of the tech industry. Not just the tech industry. So we wanted to escape the status quo of what they know about women. We wanted to escape, okay, this is ito yung makakaya ng men. Women could also do that. Okay? So to celebrate Women's Month, our program will address this one. So we will offer additional 10% discount to every women who will purchase in our mini sari-sari store. Okay? These quotes might be interesting to you. There's no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Okay, so Michelle Obama, as you can see, Michelle Obama, the wife of Barack Obama, is actually a one of the women, well-known women who likes to empower other women. Okay, a woman with a voice is by definition a strong woman. So men or women who actually can articulate themselves or are defined as strong people because they will be able to express themselves. Okay? Last but not the least, women belong in all places where decisions are being made. It shouldn't be that women are the exception. Okay? So everyone in this world or this earth will be able to make choices, not just men but also women. Okay? This is basically what you call equal rights of both men and women in our society. Okay? Okay, so medyo napahaba yung kwento. Okay. So, before we formally start with our program proper, I'd like to um check if you guys are in this course. Then if you are, kindly click the coding playground. So, I will wait for you guys. If you're in the playground already, sorry, kindly comment playground. Okay? Kindly comment playground. If you are in the playground already, kindly comment playground. So before we start, I'd like to know if we are actually aligned. Okay? Okay? Please make sure that you have read the session assignment being sent to you via email. Okay, so if not, you go to edu.stacktrek.com. Then you will go to workshops. Okay, dito siya. Okay, edu.stacktrek.com. You will go here into workshops. Then you find the March 31 workshop. So once you are in there, okay, make sure that you go here. Coding Playground. Ito siya. Nasa baba siya. Baka di mo lang nakita. Under the convert to premium, we have coding playground. Okay. All right. So far, so good. I think most of us is in the playground already. So let's start. So basically, first things first, you need to okay, select a Python language in the language selection menu. Okay, Python. Okay, please do not forget. Okay, let's start with the coding session. Okay, so first things first, we will declare constants. So constants are variables which you cannot change. So women, month, discount. So make sure that you do capitalize, okay, or let's say every letter is being capitalized because when you talk about constant in your program, it will not change. So to have a standard, okay, in naming your variables, so variables are just your data. Okay, the data that you will be getting or the data that you have, okay, to have a standardization and based on the coding standards, it should be capitalized. Okay? So, as what I've mentioned, 10% yung discount. Okay? Next, discount, sorry, discount. Make sure that your spelling is correct. Voucher code. It should be enclosed in single quote, which then, since this is a string, okay, same as true with your Lazada, Shopee, Grab, or whatsoever, they have voucher codes. Then if you input that one, you will be able to have discounts. Okay? Discount voucher person. Okay. Okay. I suppose that you guys would follow. If you have inquiries or etc., just do ano, just do ask in the comment section, so some of my teammates will be able to help you out. Okay, inputs. Okay, these are the things that you will be asking the user. Name is equal to input function. Next, gender is equal to input function. Okay, then you have here the item cost. Okay, magkano ba yung item? Ganon. Is equal to, so as what I've mentioned kanina, when we talk about money, when we talk about temperature, when we talk about measurement, we usually use the data type float, okay, input, open, close, right? We have quantity is equal to int, open, close, input, open, close, okay? Then we have voucher underscore code. Okay, so don't worry guys. We will chop this up. Okay, I'll pause for a while later for you to be able to catch up. Okay, so please kindly check first. Okay, so um please try to comment inputs if you are done with the 9 line of code. Okay, kindly comment inputs if you are done with the 9 line of code. So basically, a recap. So these are the constant variables, meaning it won't change, the value won't change over the course through of the program. Okay? These are your variables which you will ask your user. Siyempre, depende sa user, ano yung name niya, ano yung item cost, ano yung quantity, so mag-iiba-iba siya. Okay, that's why it's not in uppercase. Okay, so please comment inputs if you are done in this part so we can proceed. So I try to chop things up so that you will be able to catch up. Okay, I'll wait for a bit. Go ahead, guys. If you are encountering problems, that's fine. That's pretty much normal. Okay, don't worry. Okay, let's wait for the others. Okay, let's wait for the others. That's fine. Alright, seems that everyone or most of us have already um, finished the inputs. Okay, so don't worry, you can still catch up. Okay, so next we have the calculation. Okay, so subtotal is equal to item cost. Okay, don't worry guys. Software development will also deal with simple mathematical equation. So quantity. So in order for us to get the total amount, we need to get the item cost times the number of pieces or the number of things that you wanted to get. Okay, total is equal to 0. So initialize the value to 0. Then the discount is equal to 0. Then is valid voucher. You have here false by default. So later on, if the voucher is valid, it will be true. Okay? So right now, I'll pause for a while and please comment down computation if you are done with that section. Okay? Please comment computation if you are done with this section. Okay? So, sige, habol yung mga inputs. Go lang. Sige. Sige. Go lang, guys. I'll pause for a while so that everyone would be able to try to catch up. Okay, go ahead, guys. Ayun, madami na din yung computation. I'll wait for another minute. Alright. So, okay. Now, let's go through with the conditions. Okay? Ito yung mga conditions. If, okay, voucher code is equal to the discount, okay, voucher code, if tama yung voucher code niya, basically. So, if you take a look at Grab, Shopee, Lazada, they have voucher code and this is the condition. If tama yung voucher code mo, okay, then you will be having a discount. Discount, you press enter guys, you press enter. Discount is equal to subtotal multiplied by, open close parenthesis, discount, voucher percent, divided by 100. Okay? Then, you do is valid voucher. If tama daw yung voucher, ito-true mo siya. Okay? By default, naka-false siya. Next, since it's Women's Month, okay? So, a lot of stores have conditions that if you're a woman, you have 10% additional discount. So, if, okay, sorry, lagyan niyo isang space para hindi siya magulo tingnan. Gender is equal to female. Female daw yung gender niya. colon, okay, discount, okay, is equal to discount plus, close open parenthesis, subtotal, okay, times, since may discount siya at saka ganito, parang ganun yung ano niya, peg niya. Subtotal, open close parenthesis, okay, women's month, okay, discount percent is divided by 100. Okay, make sure that this one is same as through this one. Okay, kasi mamaya hindi niya alam na, ay, ayun pala yung tinatawag ko. Okay, so make sure about your spelling, it's pretty much important. So once you're done, basically, okay, we will try to compute. Okay, magkano ba? Total, okay, total is equal to subtotal minus the discount. Okay, sorry, this should be equal. Total is equal to subtotal deducted by the discount. So once you're done with this part, please comment conditionals. Okay? So once you're done with this part, kindly comment conditionals. So no worries, I'll be able to wait for you for a bit since we only have the last part. Since print na lang yung kulang. Magpiprint tayo ng mga text later on. Okay? Please comment conditionals if you are done with this part. Sige, antayin ko kayo. Mm-hmm. Alright, so far so good. Down to our last part. Okay? So, magpiprint na tayo. Okay? So, if gender, okay, is equal to female daw. So, another condition. Okay? Before we print. Then, we print, okay, open close parenthesis, F. Okay? This is a format. Double quote. Okay? So, happy Women's Month. Okay? Comma. Curly brackets. Okay? Your name. Okay? Dito siya. This will direct to what you input. Okay? Nasa loob siya dapat ng curly brackets kasi naka-variable siya. Name. You will get an additional, okay, open close brackets, curly brackets. Then, ilan yung discount? Women's month discount percentage. Percent. Okay? Tapos, ito yung percent sign. Then, discount. Ilan yung discount na makukuha mo? Okay? Oh, sorry. My bad. Okay? So, again, print, F, double quote. Sa loob ng double quote, lagay mo yung sentence mo. Then, make sure that if you're dealing with variables, like this, okay, what do we mean by variables? Yung mga ginagamit natin dito, these are variables. Make sure that you enclose them in the curly brackets. Okay? Okay. Next, mag-else tayo. Pag may if, may else. Okay? Katulad ng ano natin, no? Yung life. Okay? If we have an ifs, we have series of else as well. Else, print. Pag di siya women, print F, double quote, okay, good day, comma, curly brackets, name. Okay? Then, okay, another condition. If, if is valid voucher, if valid daw yung voucher niya na nilagay, which is the 20% discount, okay, magpiprint tayo. Print, okay, open close parenthesis, F, double quote, sa loob, lagay mo yung voucher, okay, tapos i-call mo kung anong voucher yun, voucher underscore code, okay, ang yung nilagay ng ng user is valid, okay, tapos, okay, you can now get, okay, a curly brackets, okay, voucher code discount, percent, okay, pwede mo siyang i-copy din, okay, then percent sign, okay, so you can now avail of the 20% discount or you can now get a 20% discount. Okay, make sure that your alignment is similar to mine. Okay, once you're done with this one, you go, okay, these should be aligned with my print statement. Okay, print again. Okay, subtotal F, double quote, okay, subtotal, colon, okay, curly brackets, subtotal, okay, dot 2F. It means that 2 decimal places. Okay, page. Okay, sorry. Should be something like this. Okay. Subtotal 2F. Okay. Page P, which means the denotation of your peso. Okay. Print F. Ilan ba yung discount na nakuha mo? Okay. Curly brackets, discount. Okay. Colon, dot 2F, PHP. Okay. Next, but not the least, you could print the total. F, E, total, colon, curly brackets, total, colon, dot 2F, PHP. Okay. So once you're done, you're ready to test if your program is correct or you need to debug. Okay, debug is a process of taking out errors and investigating. Okay, so don't worry, it's fine if you guys are having trouble or later on if you try to execute the code, try nga, may mga error siya. That's fine, like this one. Okay, so you could click this one. Okay, para at least you'll be able to see, no? Ito yung yung exclamation point. So why? We haven't put any inputs yet. So ilan yung inputs ko? Dito ako. Yung input, lagay mo dito sa custom input. So Ariesa, okay, female, item cost is 100. Tapos yung quantity na bibilhin ko is 2. Then yung voucher code ko will be 20%. Oh, yun. So, let's try to execute the code. Let's see if we have some errors. So, wala. Okay. Happy Women's Month, Ariesa. You will get an additional 10% discount. Then the 20% voucher code is valid, so you can get a additional or a 20% discount for the voucher code. So 30% lahat. Okay? So once you are done with this one, kindly comment Happy Women's Month. Okay? So if you have errors or you counter errors, no worries. You could just post your errors and my team will be able to assist you moving forward. Okay? So again, the inputs will be your name, your gender, okay? The item cost, or let's say yung presyo, yung price ng item, tapos if ilan yung bibilhin mo, tapos yung discount code natin. Okay? So, congratulations. I think Miss Fonesto is the first one to get the program. So, congratulations, everyone. And if you have questions or clarifications or whatsoever, kindly comment and my team will be able to assist you. So, I guess that's it, Case. I guess they would be able to get the ano naman, the program. Thank you.
Ayun. Yan. So, thank you so much, Ariesa, no, the for this opportunity din na ma-share natin with our participants. Anything you'd like to say po?
On my end, wala naman. So, medyo pahabol yung Women's Month coding, ano natin, coding session kasi it's the last day of, I guess, this is the last day of the month. Tama ba?
Yeah.
So, yun.
Oo.
Oo. So, happy Women's Month as well to everyone in or
Mm.
out the tech industry. So, yun. Thank you.
Ayun. Thank you very much again, Ariesa. And happy Women's Month din, no, sa mga women coders natin dito. And congratulations for successfully running your first program, especially sa mga first timers natin. Under 40 minutes lang 'yun, no? Actually, hindi siya exact 40 minutes. That was just under 40 minutes. And if you guys like shopping, online shopping, so now you know how it works sa background or sa back end. No? Ganito pala yun, yung ginagawa nila kapag may mga discounts tayo, meron tayong mga vouchers. So, ganun po basically, ganun po yung coding noon. So, it's very nice or it's very good to see these things, no, sa background na alam na natin, ganun pala yung ginagawa nila. Okay, so let me see sa comments kung ilan na yung naka-run successfully ng kanilang code. Happy Women's Month, meron si Kalakar, Sialza, Benilican, Belara, congratulations kay Emery Galit. Hindi pa po nakopy lahat. Okay, so I will be sending here sa comments and also flashing it here sa screen. You may view the full code here. Ayan, no, for your reference. Ayan, nakikita ba? So, para sa full code, sige, flash ko din dito sa screen. Ayan. So, you can view the full code here at bit.ly/CYF-MARS31 full code or MARS31 full code. So, makita nyo po yan, dyan yung code ni Ariesta and you can use it as your reference, no, para ma-run nyo yung code ninyo. Also, for the certificate of participation or completion, para po sa digital certificate ninyo, I will also send it here and flash it sa screen. So, kindly take a screenshot of your code, okay? And submit the screenshot to this link, bit.ly/CYF-MAR31cert. Again, yung screenshot po ng code ninyo, hindi po yung screenshot ng session na to or yung nasa YouTube na stream ha, yung code po ninyo. Kasi yun po yung proof na na-complete nyo yung program. Okay? You may upload it sa Google Drive, meron din sa yung nakita ko yung iba dun sa mga alam niyo yung, photo sites like IMGUR. So, you can upload it doon and make sure na meron siyang viewer access para hindi na kailangan mag-request. Kahit viewer access lang. Okay? So, again, take a screenshot of your code, not the stream na nasa YouTube. Yung code ninyo yung isi-screenshot ninyo, yung nasa playground. Okay. So, yes, thank you very much, Kiana. There's a take screenshot button din sa taas ng code editor natin. You can click on that one. Masisave na yung code ninyo, yung full actually. Hindi na kayo kailangan magka-crop-crop pa. Yung full na ng code ninyo. So, and then upload that sa Google Drive, sa anong sites man na gusto nyo ni-upload. Tapos, send us the link through here sa form natin. Okay? Again, please grant the viewer access also. Okay, so I think that concludes our coding workshop. Now, while we are still waiting, sino yung mga may errors dyan? So, pwede pa ninyo isend no, sa comments nato and then our team will help you or will assist with the errors then. Okay. So, uh, congratulations again sa mga nakakomplete na din. And we have here some learning opportunities that you might be interested in. So, let me pull up here this one. Okay. So, whether you are a career shifter, no, or a graduating student, or nagsisimula ka pa lang sa tech career mo na journey, this is something that you might be interested in. We have the full stack coding bootcamp, and you have here the registration form. Pwede kayong mag-apply. Reserve your bootcamp slot now at bit.ly/StackTrek bootcamp application. So, this bootcamp might be something na gusto nyong ipagpatuloy, no? So, nag-workshop kayo ngayon. So, gusto nyo pang matuto so you can join the bootcamp. Also, we have the full stack bootcamp reboot next Monday, this coming Monday, April 3 at 10 a.m. So, this one is an event para siyang info session and it will you might have some questions din sa bootcamp na gusto ninyong ma-answer talaga with someone. So, dito po sa event na to, we will be discussing uh, and in or more details about the bootcamp and pag may mga questions kayo. This is via Zoom, by the way, yung event natin. You can reserve your slot po sa event at bit.ly/StackTrek Bootcamp Reboot 03. Zero po yun ha, 03 kasi April 3 yung date. Again, that's on April 3, Monday, 10 a.m. That's this coming Monday na. Okay, so if you have questions na gusto nyo talagang makausap yung team natin, you may join po this event on Monday. Then, if you want din, pag may mga questions na kayo talaga you want to ask about the bootcamp, now you may message us at fb.com/stacktrek. Okay. Tapos, we would also like to extend, no? Sorry, meron pa palang email. Kung ayaw nyo sa Facebook naman, gusto nyo talaga email, okay lang din. You can send us or you can email us at info@stacktrek.com. Okay, so yun po yung mga places natin where you can ask your questions, if you have other concerns, mga ganun. So another opportunity that I would like to share with you guys is Stack League. So if you've noticed yung videos natin kanina, Stack League is the Philippines' largest online programming league. And this is powered by StackTrek's fully automated talent analytics and assessment platform. So because it's a programming league, ibig sabihin it's a competition. So it's like a game, para siyang online game na nakita ninyo sa phone ninyo, sa computers ganyan. So if you want to practice your coding skills while just having fun kasi nga it's a game, also while you're also earning cash prizes and other opportunities, this might be something you want to join. So, ano po yung mga programming languages natin sa League? We have JavaScript, Java, Python, C Sharp, and PHP. PHP. So ngayon po no, yung language na ginamit natin sa workshop is Python. We've also had workshops na JavaScript yung ginamit natin. So hopefully then sa mga next workshops, we will be able to learn more about Java, C Sharp, or PHP. But for this session, Python po yung ginamit natin and it's a supported programming language po sa StackLeague. So, paano po yung ranking system? Kasi nga it's a game. So, first is mag-sign up ka. Tapos, once you solve challenges and meron ka ng enough points, ma-unlock mo niyang bronze level. So, pagka umanda yun or pagkatapos sa bronze level, you go to silver level until you reach gold level. And sa gold level, meron po tayong, may ma-unlock po kayong mga exclusive events, mga opportunities, job opportunities, trainer opportunities, or paid trainers natin dito sa StackTrek. Some of them are also gold players sa Stack League. So, pag na-unlock mo din yung Stack League gold level, ma-access mo na rin yung master level wherein you get to make your own code talaga. Yung ginawa natin sa workshop, yung vouchers, ganyan. So, baka interested kayo na parang may naisip kang something practical or yeah, something practical na gusto mo gawin sa or gusto mong gawan ng code, then you will have the opportunity here sa master level. Okay. So, ngayon, prizes naman tayo, no? So, di ba may tatlo tayong levels? We have bronze, silver, and gold. So, once you have unlocked bronze level, automatic yun. You will receive 100 pesos. Once you unlock silver, automatic din yun. May additional kang 100 pesos. And for unlocking gold, automatic then you will receive additional 300 pesos. So, all in all, kapag na-unlock mo lahat ng Stock League levels, you will receive 500 pesos. And by the way, this is a year-round competition. So, year-round din yung cash prizes natin. Ibig sabihin, kapag ngayon ka lang nag-start, let's say, nag-launch tayo nung February, pero ngayon mo lang to nalaman and then you want to join, this is still available. So, open po siya. Kahit may friend ka, may family kang gusto mo i-invite, tapos November na sila nakahabol, that's okay. Once you unlock yung levels, you will automatically receive the cash prizes. Also, we've had our first qualifier round sa playoffs nung Saturday. So what is Stack League playoffs? This is a single elimination competition na kung saan yung top 10, yung weekly top 10 natin, we pull them together tapos maglalaban sila sa isang competition. Tapos yung top 1 doon would receive 5,000, yung top 2 will receive 3,000 pesos. Also, the top 1 and top 2 sa qualifier rounds natin will have a spot sa qualifier pool. Ibig sabihin yung qualifier pool, yun sila yung maglalaban sa finals week by December. So sa December, meron tayong finals week sa playoffs. And syempre, mas malaki yung points doon. I mean, yung prizes. So that's for playoffs. And we also have the ambassador program. So kapag hindi ka gusto mo mag-take ng break sa coding, sige, hindi na muna ako magko-code, then you can also go beyond the competition and inspire other Filipinos into coding. And that is by referral program. Mag susulat ka ng blogs about Stack League or your experience in the league, or you want to have speaking engagements na gusto mong i-share. So, those are some of the ways that you can earn ambassador points. So, yung ambassador of the month natin is 3,000 yung marireceive niya with a Stack League shirt. Tapos yung ambassador of the year will receive 20,000 with a Stack League jacket. By the way, this is the last day of March. So, mag-a-announce na tayo for our March ambassador. Pwede pa kayong humabol ng ambassador points. And we have, this one is something new sa league natin, no? So for the past seasons, ano lang yun, isahan lang yung mga top 10 rankings natin. But now, we are dividing the league into two. We have the Pro League and the Student League. So from the name itself, for professionals and students. And each po yun, may weekly top 10. And that means every week, 20 winners will win 500 pesos each. So, yun po yung advantage, no? You won't be just improving your programming skills, you will also be winning prizes. And lastly, we have the player versus player mode. So, for me, no, personally, I really like this challenge kasi you get to challenge or pwede mong hamunin yung mga friends nyo, yung may kakilala kayo sa league, na, uy, mag one-on-one naman tayo. Tapos you have to wager or you have to bet some points. Tapos kung sino yung mananalo, siya yung or makukuha niya lahat ng points. Okay. So, nagsawol-sagol na akong Bisaya ug Tagalog, no. So anyway, that's for the PVP mode. We will be announcing also the cash prizes for this one, but for now you can practice with your friends, with your colleagues para you get to be familiar with the PVP mode. This is just a 15-minute battle challenge. Okay, so hindi po siya mataas. 15 minutes lang po siya. Parang flash challenge natin. Okay. So, for the events naman, yun po yung competition highlights natin. For the events, we also have digital certificates for this one. Sa Stack League, this is the Likha IT by Free Code Along Introduction to Ruby on Rails. This is a face-to-face event. Yung ano po natin, yung registration link natin is at bit.ly/stackleague-likha IT. So kapag siguro mga nasa Davao kayo ngayon o baka may flight kayo bukas, gusto niyong sumali, nasa Makati City po yung venue natin. And lastly, we have the Stack League Flutter PH Tech Session Introduction to Flutter. That's on April 11, Tuesday 6 p.m. You may reserve your slot at bit.ly/stackleague-APR11 or April 11. So this one is a virtual session naman. So you can watch this at the comforts of your home. So, yung sa competition kanina, no, daming mga ganap natin sa Stock League. You may read the mechanics via stackleague.com/blogs. So, andun po lahat ng mechanics natin. Okay, so I think that concludes our session or our workshop for this morning. So, ang dami po tayong opportunities for you guys. We really hope na malaleverage nyo to or you will take this opportunity to really improve your programming skills, to learn more, join workshops, boot camps, yung competition natin. So all these are for free, by the way, yung workshop, yung CYF coding workshop natin and yung Stock League, for free po siya. So we hope you guys will take this opportunity, no, to learn more. So, um, also for more events, coding workshops, sessions, career sessions, you may get the latest updates at fb.com/stacktrek/events. Okay. And don't forget to join our Code Your Future Facebook community for you to connect with your fellow Filipinos na pareho din yung interest sa inyo, no? Mga tech career shifters, students, IT students, tech professionals. Okay, so that is all for our workshop this morning. Congratulations again to all of those who completed the uh yung na-run nila successfully yung code nila, no. Again, you may view the full code sa link na binigay ko sa inyo. You have until this evening to submit your screenshots. So pwede pa kayong humabol. And on behalf of the StackTrek team, I would like to say thank you to everyone for joining the Code Your Future 40 Minutes Coding Workshop for Women Non-Coders in partnership, of course, with the ICT Region 11. Thank you so much. And this has been your host, Casey. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.